Hi everyone, we're on Module 3 of Level F of VMath. This is Lesson 1, so turn to page 7 to follow along and take notes. All right, we are adding decimals with the same number of decimal places. So quick review. Notice that it is written side by side. Well, they rewrite it so then you can line up the the place values. So 5 plus 2 is in the ones place, which is 7. 7 plus 9 is 16, so we put a 6, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 4 is 8. Next, notice that they put little boxes for us, and then we have the decimal points already in there. So 2.46, or 2 and 46 hundredths, and then 1 and 52 hundredths. Well, just like when we line up decimal or place values, the decimals is the same thing. So 6 plus 2 is 8. 4 plus 5 is 9. Then that decimal point follows straight down when we're adding. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 and 98 hundredths is our answer. Here we have 97 cents and 45 cents. Well, again, the place values are lined up. So 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 4 is 14. Carry the 1, bring down that 4. The decimal stays in the same spot, so it's going to go in between the 1 and the 4 right there. All right, this last one, got to line them up again. So 24 and 871 thousandths. Then we have 8 and 225 thousandths. So notice that they are all lined up. Then we have 1 plus 5 is 6. 7 plus 2 is 9. 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry that 1 over, but I'm just going to bring that decimal down so we know it stays there. We have that 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 8 is 13. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. All right, this says Chris bought 0 and 56 hundredths kilograms of green apples and 68 hundredths kilograms of red grapes. How many kilograms of grapes did he buy all together? So here we have the 56 hundredths green grapes, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. And then here are the red grapes, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 68 hundredths. So then if you combine them, so they just filled in the rest of the hundreds square with the red grapes, and then they went over. So we have one whole, because this one is a one whole, and now we need to count how many hundredths. Well, each column is 10, 20, and then 21, 22, 23, 24. So 1 and 24 hundredths kilograms of grapes. Find each sum, regroup as needed. So again, the decimal points are lined up, all the place values are lined up. So when you write it like this, you have to switch it like this so that you can add them properly. 0 plus 9 is 9. 3 plus 9 is 12. Carry the 1. I'm going to bring down that decimal though so I know it stays there. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 6 is 9, and then 3. So this would be $39.29. Here we have 0 and 45 hundredths plus 0 and 39 hundredths. 5 plus 9 is 14. Carry that 1. Regroup it. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 3 is 8. And then the decimal stays there, and we have no ones place. So 0 and 84 hundredths. All right, number 7, 10 and 129 thousandths plus 4 and 9 thousandths. So then now all the place values are lined up. 9 plus 9 is 18. 8, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 0 is 3. 1 plus 0 is 1. Bring down that decimal point. 0 plus 4 is 4, and then 1. All right, this says using symbols. Here it is with symbols. Notice that they rewrote it. So you're going to write the problem vertically like this. You're going to line up the digits with the same place value and line up the decimal points. So you line up the decimal points. That is what helps most when you're doing decimals. Then add using the same method as whole numbers. So you start at the furthest to the right. You always start over here. So when it's whole numbers, we always start in the ones place, but when it has decimals, you always start all the way over to the right. Then you write a decimal point in the same column as the other decimal points. So remember that decimal just follows straight down. And then you can get your answer. All right, you are going to complete page 9 on your own. Make sure to rewrite and show your work. Good luck.